Everyone, and welcome. And it's going. Trevor's looking for some money. We're going to do some pop shopping. You excited, audience? Because I am. Because you're going to get a soda. You're going to get some soda. You're going to get some soda. Thanksgiving break is here. Plentiful YouTube videos to come. Yes. And his birthday's on Thanksgiving. And that'll happen in another 8 years. So, nice, Trevor. Mine's on Black Friday and everyone's being racist. You're a white baby born on Black Friday? Nice. Anyway, yeah. Plentiful YouTube videos to come. Saints Row the Third walkthrough coming next weekend. Not this weekend, next weekend. And I have a Modern Warfare 3 walkthrough that I'm doing right now. Stuff like that. That's just a run-through, man. Alright? Let's head out. You know how stupid you look? Nope, get out of here. Stupid monkey. How do you feel about Thanksgiving break? Thanksgiving break. Those kids. Get back. It's okay. If you watched our ninja sneaking, any of them, the one where the kids, where I told them that they were going to be famous, they are right. No, dude, should we go over there? Why? Fine. Well, you're stupid every day. We all are. But you're the most stupid. Anyway, those kids. I told them that I was going to put them on YouTube, and I told them that they would be famous, and so all of a sudden their dad comes out, and apparently these kids didn't want them to be on camera, so this dad looks like he's PO'd. So Trevor and I just run. So we're like mysterious people that these kids never, ever will remember until now. No, we gotta disguise ourselves. Put your hoods over your head. Just do it, man. I know this is probably a stupid idea. Hold on, audience. There you go. I should just be normal. I don't think they'll recognize us with hats on. Alright, let's head out. Okay, yeah, so these kids are gonna... This is kind of like ninja sneaking, except we don't have this stupid, like, little masks on. Just walk casually, audience. We cut through here. We cut through here. Nice. Vandalization. Those are the terrorist people. So, we can get compromised at any time. You never know when you're going to get killed. Oh, shit. We forgot the key. We did? We did? Yeah. Oh, my God. Well, at least we get to walk by those kids again and see what they're doing. Well, I guess, we are almost out of time anyway. We wouldn't be able to... I want to make 5-minute videos so the videos don't take, like, freaking 12 hours to download and upload and stuff, so. God, how much cologne do they put on? You can smell it. Can you smell that? Can you smell that, audience? No, it's not you. I smelled it, like, really strongly when I walked by, and I could still smell it in there. like they bathe in cologne or something. Whatever. So we're gonna walk by the kids again. We're gonna see what they're doing. Also, we need to get the key to get in so we can do some pop shopping. So this probably won't be called pop shopping. I will. What the heck? So yeah, because that's just how it's gonna be. Alright, ready? I like try to hide from this. Peeked over the bush and they were like so I just jumped down. Whatever. Probably look like an idiot. I've never worn one of these hats before because they like make my hair stick out. It's weird. They're inside their gazebo out there. That's their hood. That's their crib. That's their turf. We don't dare go in there. If you watched our last Ninja Sneak thing, that one kid standing on the thing had a freaking baseball bat. Of course, we set the example because they try to hide. So thank you for watching. Check out Pop Shopping Part 2 because we forgot the key. So